I took off at half throttle into the wind. Perhaps should have raised my hands a bit higher. As you can see, a gust caught it immediately and was inclined to push it back down. The self-correction stabilizing system worked perfectly and leveled it out again. And it's easy to be fooled by the stabilization system doing everything for you, but in fact strong gusts can throw the plane around the place a lot. And there's also a big difference between flying into the wind and having it behind you. The plane will fly a lot faster when the wind is behind. After another crash, we go for take 3. Getting more comfortable with it in the strong wind, even though you can see clearly how much the plane is getting thrown around the place. It's still very easy to fly on the stabilized setting. I've switched to the acro mode, the 3G setting. Things happen a lot faster. It feels more exciting, but I'm also aware I'm running the risk of crashing very easily. She very easily does loops, inverted flying. This isn't the day to do it though. In these winds, you lose control very, very quickly.